welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am getting a pixie cut. I am chopping off all this hair, and don't worry, I'm gonna be donating my hair, so yeah, it's not a problem. I've been wanting to get a pixie cut for the longest time now, and yeah, I'm finally getting it, and see you then. I'm really excited. Cool, bye. But I also post a lot of fun stuff on my Instagram, so go check that out after this video. Okay, bye.
I finally have a pixie now, and yeah, I am really happy. I'm really happy with how my pixie turned out to be. It's very comfortable. It's like a big load of weight from my head is just taken off. It's super light, it's super comfortable, and yeah, I'm literally loving this hairstyle.
Not gonna lie, it's not the same day or the next day. It's like 10 days after my haircut, and I didn't film earlier because I was like getting to know my hair and getting used to my pixie.
So if I would have told you after 2 hours how I like my pixie, that wouldn't be like the most honest review, because I just got a pixie and I personally even wouldn't know how like I like my hair. But it's been 10 days now.
And
It's been 10 days now and I love my hair.
let's talk a bit. After I posted a story on my Instagram like with my short hair pixie, I got more than 100 DMs. Like, people was supporting me. You could say they were saying it looked nice, and that was really nice. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so for all those girls or guys thinking that you want to go short or you want to grow your hair or whatever, I would say just go for it, because why not? Why think about what will happen, how will I look? Does it really matter? If you want it so bad, just get it, because you're gonna live once. If you want to experience crazy things, you have to do it once, or else you could never experience those things. A lot of people also told me that I have guts to cut my hair so short and they could never pull that off. I would say that is really wrong to think that you can pull off anything you want if you want. You know, like, if I wanted a pixie very bad, and so I got it. And if you like it, you can obviously pull it off because you like it. If you're comfortable in your hair, you can make it look good. You know what I'm saying? Consider clothing in this situation. If you buy like a sweater or let's just say any clothing item, and you just are very comfortable wearing it, but other people would say that I could never pull that off. But if you are comfortable wearing that clothing item, of course you will pull it off. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you're doing, just be confident about it. Be confident about it. And if you want to do it, just do it.
Okay, so I am going to tell you my hair story. So I have had long hair for more than 8 years, and by long hair I mean below my butt long hair. And I'm not saying I did not like my long hair. I really like my long hair, but I wasn't confident in my long hair, you know. A year back I got like a shoulder length haircut, and it was very nice. It felt very nice, but I always wanted pixie. But that was just the start of me going shorter, because my parents really loved my long hair. So if I would have gone from like below my butt long hair to a pixie, I would have definitely given my mom a heart attack, because she loved my hair. But again, it's going to a good cause. I am donating my hair, so there's nothing wrong in that. And I love my hair. I feel confident in my new hair.
That's all I would want to say. I really love my hair. It's been 10 days. Washing it is easier, oiling it is easier, like taking care of it is very easy. I do not have like knots in my hair anymore, and I feel pretty, I feel confident.
So I have some of my friends and family's reaction on how they reacted to my pixie, because I had hadn't told anyone. Also, my dumb ass kinda misplaced some clips of my friends, so I only have 3 to 4. But like, stick around, watch it.
I would want to end this video by saying, if you want to do something, just go for it. Okay, cool. Spread positivity, guys, and keep smiling. Also, stay safe. Bye.